Hi everyone! Did you know that making your living room look more traditional can make it feel warm, cozy, and welcoming right away? Using earthy tones, natural materials, and vintage-inspired pieces, Rustic Decor brings the beauty of nature inside. The result is a place that feels grounded and welcoming. There are stone fireplaces, wooden beams, soft blankets, and leather furniture in a rustic living room. It has the beauty of simplicity and the warmth of custom. This style is all about adding character and layers of texture, so it's great for a place to unwind and relax. In this video, we will explore 15 rustic living room ideas to transform your space into a cozy retreat. Add natural wood elements. A standard way to give your living room a rustic look is to use real wood. Adding wood to your room, like a coffee table, shelves, or even exposed beams, makes it feel warmer and more like the outdoors. For a more real rustic look, choose the wood that has already been used. To give something more depth and personality, you can mix and match styles. Wood not only makes a room feel cozy, but it also adds depth, making your living room feel like a warm refuge. As a base, this is very important for getting a real rustic look. Use earthy color tones. For a country look in your living room, pick earthy colors like browns, greens, and gray. These colors make the room feel warm and solid by making it look like the outdoors. You could paint your walls in soft colors or add accents in these shades. Earthy tones also make a calm space that is great for relaxing. For a living room that feels like nature, pair these colors with wooden furniture. If you want your furniture to look rustic, you need to use this color scheme. Add a stone or brick fireplace. In a country living room, you must have a fireplace made of stone or brick. Stone or brick is a great focus point because its rough surface gives it character and warmth. If your home doesn't have a real fireplace, you might want to add a fake one for the atmosphere. You can even make it look better by adding artistic logs or wooden mantles. Having a fireplace in your living room makes it feel like the heart of your home because it makes it feel warm and cozy. Incorporate leather furniture. Durable, stylish, and giving your living room a touch of rough charm, leather furniture is a great choice. For a real look, choose natural leather that is worn and comes in brown or tan shades. A cozy sitting area made of leather couches or armchairs looks better with age. Leather's rough surface looks great next to wood and cloth, giving your room more depth. Not only does this choice of furniture make you feel better, but it also gives your rustic style a classic look. Layer textures with rugs and blankets. Add rugs, blankets, and pillows of different textures to your living room to make it feel warm and homey. For a more natural look, choose clothes made of wool, cotton, or hemp. When it's cold outside, layering keeps you warm and makes you want to curl up. With a soft rug under your feet and blankets on the couch, you and your friends will feel right at home. These different textures give your living room depth and make it feel warm and inviting. Add vintage or antique pieces to give your living room a rustic look. Add old or vintage things. No matter if it's an old box, coffee table, or ladder, these items give a room character and history. To add a real rural touch, look for things that have a patina or natural wear. Adding vintage art to your home gives it a sense of history and individuality, making it feel more put together and your own. This is a great way to make your living room feel like a place where you have lots of memories. Use rustic lighting fixtures. Pick out light sources that look old and rustic. In a rustic setting, iron chandeliers, lantern-style lamps, or hanging lights with bulbs that stick out look great. Having the right lighting in your living room will make it feel warm and friendly. With dimming choices, you can make the light glow softer at night. Lights that are made of wood can make a statement and add a classy touch to your living room. Add some natural plants. Every room that has plants in it feels more natural and fresh. To make your living room feel more like outside, hang flowers, small trees, or plants in pots around the room. The earthy tones look great with the bright and colorful plants that are in the room. Succulents and snake plants are great choices because they don't need much care. By adding plants, you can turn your living room into a peaceful, nature-inspired space that goes well with its rustic look. Use beams that are exposed in rustic interiors. Wooden beams that stick out from the ceiling are a standard feature. To make your house look more real, leave the beams exposed. If not, you could get the same effect by adding fake beams. When you open up the beams in your living room, they add warmth, structure, and a touch of old-fashioned charm. They go well with earthy colors and other handmade items, making the whole look more cohesive. This feature gives your room a classic look and adds architectural interest. Conclusion: adding natural touches to your living room can make it feel more like a home away from home, where you can connect with nature. Using natural materials like stone and wood, along with earthy colors, old accents, and cozy textures, can help you make a room that feels timeless and soothing. From exposed beams to leather furniture, each layer gives your living room depth and personality, making it a calm space where you can relax. These things will make your space feel like a real haven. Remember to subscribe, share, and let me know which country idea you liked the most.